have been recently looking for a remote job I can do online. I recently came across this website called Crossover. But before you can apply on this website, this is what you should know. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purpose only. I am not affiliated with Crossover, and I cannot guarantee that you will get paid or even earn any specific amount. Always make sure you do your own research before applying for any job, okay? Do your own research very well, it's very important. Okay, as you can see, this is a Crossover website. It is a platform that is full-time remote job with companies hiring talent from different parts of the world. According to the website, they offer opportunity like fields such as software engineering, customer service, sales marketing, finance, operations, and other professional roles on the website. And this is what you're going to be finding on this video. I'm going to show you how to apply on this website step by step, and also going to show you one thing you need to do before you can apply. Let's go. Now you can see this is Crossover website. All you need to do is for you to go to your web browser or Chrome, type Crossover. Okay, if you type Crossover, it's going to take you. Just make sure you look at this screen of this video very well. Then it's going to bring you here. Here, this is where you're going to be looking for what you can able to do. Okay, as you can, this is what they are bringing to me. You can see senior administration assistants, director of academics. You can see the amount and the USD they are going to pay for hour. You can see it on the screen. This is a full-time remote job. You can see the hour. You can see full-time 40 hours. You can see that is a full-time remote job. For those of you might be asking me, Faith, can I use VPN to log in on this platform? Please do not use VPN to log in. This website is currently hiring people worldwide. As you can see, it brought my location where I'm living now. You can see 9 job hiring in the country that I live. You can see 2 hours learning, director of academics. You can see the type of job that is on my location right now that I can actually apply. Okay, if they accept me, I will start working on this platform. Always note that this app is not a get rich quick scheme. Oh. It is not a get rich quick scheme app. Maybe you are seeing it on the screen like this. It is not a get rich quick scheme. It's just a website where you can earn extra income using it. Only if they accept you, this is where you are going to start working on this platform. But if they didn't accept you, but if they accept you, this is where you're going to start working on the website. Okay, now you can see education here. Anything you want to do, just make sure you search it here to know if it's related to your field. Okay, once it's related to your field and you see anyone that fits you, you can actually go ahead and apply for it. Okay, now let me just go again and search for another thing now. Okay, always make sure we apply for this job, cross-check the description. Okay, it's very important. Make sure you cross-check the description of the instruction they give you when apply, so that you will not make a mistake. This is why I'm teaching this thing now, so that you will not make a mistake when applying on this job. You can see marketing. Okay, if your field is related to marketing, all you need to do is to search marketing and refresh it like this. It's going to bring, as you can see, head of the marketing. This is what is available on my location where I am right now. You can see that step 1, as you can see how it works. Apply for role. Here is what to expect. Okay, as you can see, step 1, chat, styling, screening, interview. They're going to interview you on the screen. Okay, if you pass everything here, this is where you are going to be start working on this platform. But if you did not pass it, you're not going to be getting any job on this platform. Always note, before you pick any job to apply, make sure you already know what you're about to apply for. Maybe you're into engineering, you already know what you're about to do. Okay, because they're going to ask you a question. Okay, so just make sure you already know what you're about to do before getting yourself into this. Check, look for anyone that fits your profile. A lot of work is here. look for anyone that you can do so that any question they ask you, you'll be able to answer it correctly. As you can see, this head of marketing, let me just, as you can, this is discussion I tell you that you need to read before getting yourself into it. Look at the description now. This is what you need to read. As you can see, you are not looking to manage a company. You want to own a growth. You can see what they say here. Make sure you go through it, please. Go through it. The reason I'm saying this now, so that you don't feel like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. You see, meet some people who have already learned in a similar job. These people, you can actually, let me just go ahead. As you can see, watch interview. I wanted to watch it, but because of this video, okay, because of copyright issue, so I have to. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can actually apply on this job. As you can see, coach, you see this coach now. Let me just click on it for example. Then once you click on it, it's going to load like this. Just wait for a minute, then it will open. Let's just wait. It will open. First of all, when it open, first of all, you need to read the description to know what you're about to apply for. Okay, now you can see apply. Okay, you see this apply button. If you click on apply, it's going to automatically load. Okay, let's wait. It will do like this. Then you can see welcome to crossover. Are you ready to apply for coach role? You can see full remote full time 40 hours slash week. See more. You can click on see more and read everything. Okay, it's very important for you to go through it because you're about to apply for this. Okay, now you can see people that are giving the review. You can see there is not another platform that is like crossover. You can see what they are writing here. Okay, they are giving good review about this platform. Okay, you can see the good review people are talking about them. Now you need to apply with your Google account. Okay, let me just apply for this one right now. Then you need to go ahead and use your Google. Pick any Google you feel like it is safe. Okay, I would recommend that when signing in with your Google, make sure the Google you want to use, you don't use it to sign in different platform because you might get accepted in this crossover remote work and maybe your Google have a problem. For you to be on safer side, that's why I'm saying this, for you to be on the safer side. As you can see, next step. Okay, you're gonna wait for some seconds. Okay, let's wait. Let's know the next thing the app is going to say. Okay, you can see that my profile is already created there. Okay, as you can see, no active application right now. You don't currently have an application in progress. You can now explore open jobs page on crossover and apply when you find a position that fits your experience. You may also update your profile to ready for future opportunity. You see, now all you need to do is for you to come over here and update your profile. This is where most of my students made a mistake. They will not go ahead and update their profile. They will not update anything. At the end of the day, they will get rejected. So do not make this mistake. Okay, just make sure you update your profile very well. Add your phone number. Add everything that's required for you to add. Okay, change it so that any future opportunity that came out, the app will be able to use your profile to recommend job for you. Thank you so much.